Today, I'm starting a new challenge. I want to see if organic dropshipping actually works completely from scratch. I'm talking zero paid ads, none of that fancy guru stuff that you always see. Just me, my phone, $100 or less, and pure organic content. I'm literally gonna give myself 7 days to make as much money as possible. I'm gonna be completely transparent, show you exactly how much I spend, how much I earn, and exactly how I do it step by step. I honestly have no idea how this is gonna go. It might flop hard, but if it works, you'll see it first. Alright, enough talking. Let's go find a product. So, day one. Obviously, we gotta find something viral. Organic dropshipping is all about riding trends, and right now I'm scrolling TikTok, IG, YouTube Shorts, just trying to find anything that starts popping.
One eternity later.
After like an hour or two scrolling, I started seeing this mini POV camera popping everywhere. I swear, everyone and their mom is running this camera right now. It's a little saturated, yeah, but saturation is usually a good thing because it means that people are buying it. I checked a few competitors' content and honestly, it's nothing special. Like, no disrespect, but some of these guys are posting the most basic, boring videos and pulling in thousands of views. So, in my head, I'm thinking if these lazy videos are actually doing some numbers, what could I do if I actually put some effort into it? The plan is simple. Order one camera off of Amazon for about $50, get it quick, and start posting videos tomorrow. If this flops, worst case scenario, I lost $50. No big deal. Let's order this thing and get it rolling. Alright, it's day 2 and the camera literally just got delivered. This thing is tiny, but I'm hyped, man. Time to build a quick Shopify store. Now, let me say this. Most people mess up their stores by trying too hard. All you really need is something clean and simple that doesn't scream scam. Literally takes like 30 minutes. I grabbed a simple theme, uploaded some decent product photos, and added a catchy but simple product description. But here's where I messed up. I didn't realize until later that I forgot the buy button. Yeah, legit. I literally published the store without the add to cart button. Rookie mistake, but I'm leaving it here to show you guys. Always double check your stuff. Trust me. I probably lost money because of this, but lesson learned. Store's fixed now, buy button's there, we're good. Next up, content creation. It's day 3 and today's all about videos. I posted 2 videos today, just basic stuff. POV clips, driving around town, grabbing coffee, nothing too complicated. Just the everyday activities. The first few videos honestly did nothing, like 500 views, 800 views, pretty weak. But here's the thing, organic is weird like that. Your first few videos usually suck and they don't go anywhere. But you can't panic. You gotta trust the process, keep posting, and hopefully eventually something clicks. Then, just like that, video number 4 suddenly takes off a bit. Within like 2 hours, it's sitting at 20k views. I honestly didn't expect this one to do well at all. But something clicked. People liked the casual, authentic vibe. No sales yet, but the traction is starting and it feels good. Tomorrow could be big.
One day later.
Day 4 update, and we got some action today. Woke up, checked Shopify, nothing at first. But then a few hours later, while I'm grabbing food, my phone dings. First sale is locked in. Feels so damn good, man, I'm not gonna lie. It's not life-changing money, but honestly, just knowing that someone actually bought it is just such a confidence boost. Content-wise, I'm figuring out my angles more clearly. I'm leaning into that relatable everyday vibe and people are responding well. My comment section is getting active, views are going up, sales should follow. Day 5 was when things started to heat up. My phone started popping off 3 orders today, around $150. It's picking up momentum. I'm seeing more consistent results now. But honestly, the most exciting part isn't the money yet. It's the fact that these videos are actually consistently working. I'm not guessing anymore. I know exactly what type of content clicks. Car POV videos, chill music, some controversial hooks. That's what's working for now. And that's the formula. Gotta keep riding this wave. 2 more days to see how far we can really keep pushing it. Yo, day 6. This is where it gets real. Woke up to 7 sales, about $350. This is crazy considering we were at literally $0 just a few days ago. One of my videos hit like 300k views overnight. Engagement was off the charts. people tagging friends, comments blowing up. At this point, it's becoming clear. This little camera could actually scale big time. But here's something I realized. I'm getting a ton of younger kids just messing around in the comments. It's good for views, but not great for conversions. Might have to adjust my strategy slightly tomorrow to target a more mature audience. Let's see how that plays out. It's day 7, the finale, and man, we ended it strong. I woke up today and saw I made about $600 just overnight. Insane growth in literally just 1 week. I figured out how to hit the right audience finally, using local trending sounds and more mature POV clips. Engagement improved instantly and sales followed right after. Time for the total reveal. After 7 days of organic dropshipping, the total is $1,399.73. Literally almost $1,400 from scratch with no paid ads. Profit margins after product cost and Shopify fees are around 60%, meaning we're looking at around $800 to $850 pure profit in 1 week. Honestly, way better than I expected. Organic dropshipping is legit, but it's definitely not easy money. You gotta stay consistent, keep improving your content, and not give up after your first few videos flopped. Don't expect to get rich instantly, but if you're consistent, you'll start seeing serious results. If you enjoyed this real-time dropshipping experiment and want to see more like this, make sure to hit subscribe and drop a like because it really helps. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.